Good afternoon, class 7 student. This is your math workbook. We are continuing chapter 14, symmetry. So in previous video, we have discussed some important fact of this chapter. Now we will start worksheet 14.1. First is what is the it is oral questions. First question is what is a regular polygon? Regular polygon क्या है? So a regular polygon has equal side and equal angle. So whose polygon who have all sides are same and all angles are also same is called regular polygon. Second is how many lines of symmetry are there in a square? So 4 lines of symmetry. Square में कितनी लाइन सिमेट्री होती हैं? These a square has 4 lines of symmetry. थर्ड व्हाट इज रोटेशनल सिमेट्री? रोटेशनल सिमेट्री क्या होती है? A shape is said to have rotational symmetry if it looks exactly the same more than once during a full turn. यानी कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अपनी ओल्ड शेप में एक से ज़्यादा रोटेशनल में वापस आता है, टर्न करके सेम पोजीशन में आते हैं. इट इज कॉल्ड रोटेशनल सिमेट्री. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. व्हाट डू वी कॉल द पॉइंट अबाउट विच एन ऑब्जेक्ट रोटेट? उस पॉइंट को हम क्या कहेंगे जिस पॉइंट पर जो कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट रोटेट होती है, घूमती है. इट इज सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन. Question number 5. What do we call a line which divide a figure into two identical half? यानी उस लाइन को क्या कहेंगे जो किसी भी फिगर को 2 हाफ में डिवाइड करती है. So it is line of symmetry. Sixth question. How many lines of symmetry आर देयर इन अ रेक्टेंगल? रेक्टेंगल में कितनी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती हैं? सो आंसर इज 2. 2 मीन्स 2 सिमेट्री लाइन ऑफ 2 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. व्हाट इज अ 3/4 रोटेशन? 3/4 रोटेशन क्या होता है? 7 इज रोटेशन बाय 270. सो 270 मीन्स 90 प्लस 90 प्लस 90 270. Question number 8. What is meant by angle of rotation? Angle of rotation से क्या समझते हैं? So answer is the angle by which the object rotate is called the angle of rotation. यानी कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जिस एंगल पर रोटेट करता है उसको एंगल ऑफ रोटेशन कहते हैं. Question 9. How many lines of symmetry are there in a semicircle? यानी सेमी सर्कल में कितनी लाइन सिमेट्री होती हैं? ओनली 1 लाइन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. व्हाट इज मीन्ड बाय ऑर्डर ऑफ रोटेशनल सिमेट्री? ऑर्डर ऑफ रोटेशनल सिमेट्री से क्या समझते हैं? तो 10 is the number of line times a shaft look exactly the same in one full turn. Complete rotation is known as the order of rotational symmetry. The number of line times of shaft look exactly the same in one full turn, यानी जिस शेप में कंप्लीट टर्न होकर सेम अपनी लास्ट पोजीशन पे प्रीवियस पोजीशन पे आती है कंप्लीट रोटेशन is known as the order of rotational symmetry. Now the question number 2. Fill in the blanks. So student, read the statement carefully and fill the correct word. A dash turn means rotation by 90. So quarter. So 90 degrees quarter because it is circle and So 1/4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. All is 90 degree. Ninety, 90, 90 and 90. Second, a windmill has a rotational symmetry of order 4. Third, the two letters of English alphabet having rotational symmetry of order 2 are H and I, because H and I have two rotational symmetry, horizontal and vertically always. Fourth, a rhombus has two lines of symmetry. Rhombus have two lines of symmetry. Fifth, an equilateral triangle has rotational symmetry of order 3, because equilateral triangle have 3 equal sides. 6, a line segment is symmetrical about its perpendicular bisect. 7, an angle having equal arms is symmetrical about the bisector of the angle is answer. 8, a regular pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. So student, 14.1 is complete. Next video we will start 14.2. Thank you.